Welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to show you add widget to your Samsung Galaxy lock screen so you can follow this guide easily, edit them. Let's get started. First of all, take your phone, go back to the home screen, then tap on hold any empty area on your device. After that, at the bottom left corner you can see wallpaper and style option. Click to open them. Once you are in the menu, you can find the currently lock screen wallpaper. Tap on it to open it and wait to open the page. After the page is open, here you can see the add widgets option. Simply click on it. After the pop-up menu, you can see all of the widget listed there. If you found the exit widget, if you want to add it. For example, I am added battery widget, so tap on the battery name and see the all of the pop-up widgets there. So select any widgets. After you have successfully selected, confirm by tapping the done button at the top right corner, and you have successfully done. To check, simply lock your phone and see the pop-up result there. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video.